In this video, I'm going to share my daily routine with you all. So let's get started. My daily routine. I wake up around 6:30 or sometimes it's closer to 7. Then the first thing which I do is I brush my teeth, wash my face and freshen up. Then I head straight to the kitchen and have a glass of water. It's a part of my morning rituals. Then I start preparing lunch for my husband and breakfast for us. Once he leaves for his office, then I begin with my household chores like mopping, sweeping, dusting, and all these things. But before that, I spend some time with my daughter because in the morning she wants my attention, otherwise, she behaves little cranky and it irritates me as well. So I prefer spending time with her. At this time, I brush her teeth, I give her bath, massage, and all the basics. In the middle of that, I give her something to eat, like some fruits, apple, some slices of apple, banana, or sometime milk with some rusk and all. Then once her mood is lighten up, then I begin with my household chores. Once they are done, then we have our breakfast together and it takes around 1 hour when I have a breakfast with her because she is a kind of picky eater. I have to do a lot of things if so she can eat properly. Like I sing rhymes for her, I make funny faces, I tell her some stories and all these things to entertain her so that she can have her food properly. Otherwise, she cannot eat properly. She is a very picky eater, as I said. So it takes around 1 hour to feed her and to have my breakfast as well. So once that done, then I again begin with my other household chores like doing dishes, taking bath, doing laundry and all these things. And then at the same time she is just plays around and then I put her to sleep, and while her sleeping I do my English practices. I have conversations, sometimes I read book, sometimes I try to write something, and sometimes if I have to upload any video or uh, I kind of do making thumbnails and all these kind of stuff. And after that I prepare lunch for us. Once she is up, then we have a lunch together, and it takes around 1 hour, same. And after that, in the afternoon, we spend some time with each other. I play with her. I make her engaged so that she don't feel bored, and I try to sing her rhymes and play with her. I try to teach her something which is like colors name, fruits name, and all these kind of things. And after that, in the evening, we go for a walk, not far away, just nearby, for a short walk. Then later on, I prepare dinner around 9 o'clock, and then we have our dinner all together, and then we go to the bed around 11 or 11:30. And if I have some free time before going to bed, then I read a book. So that's how my day looks. And if you are also practicing English language, so you can definitely share your daily routine with me in the comment section. And I have taken this challenge for 15 days that I am going to speak on some topics for 15 days regularly, and I want to see that if I'm able to speak on those topics or not. So it was a very basic topic, but still when it comes to describe your day, you do feel stuck sometimes, and that's why I wanted to practice it. And I'm going to do it regularly for 15 days, and let's see how it goes. And yeah, that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. And if you are also practicing English language, then you can share your daily routine in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. Bye.